Okay, we're doing a run up. I'm just getting it back to 4,000. Right hand mag. Drop is 170, 150. Both mags. Left mag. 140, 120. Okay, so mags to right. I'm just my core by a fixed pitch propeller, variable pitch. You can see the RPM dropping. Put it fully fine again. Okay, so the prop is working. Oil pressure is perfect. All temperatures over 50, so it's ready for takeoff. The cylinder is 1772, and the cylinder EGT is hanging around 700. Okay, doing free movement, ailerons, elevator, rudders, set the flaps, put the fuel pump on, put the landing light on, take the trim. The trim here is neutral, and all our temperatures are in the green. We've got a positive amperage and a positive fuel flow. Fuel flow seems a bit high. All our fuel tanks are open, the header tank's on. And I've checked the fuel levels. Check the fuel levels here with the lights. You can see the fuel sloshing around there on top. Same on the other side. Okay, so we've got enough fuel. Done our pre-checks. Got our safety belts on. Speed review. Yeah, speed alive at 42. Rotate at 50, 55. Climb out at 65. On downwind, we're trying to go to 75. Base 65. And final approach attempt at 55. Between 50 and 60. Okay, I'm ready. Radio call. Morningstar traffic India Golf Yankee set the holding point to 20. Lining up for immediate takeoff and will remain in the circuit.
Traffic in the replay area, Sky 1 is 1,000 feet. Starting up beam replay, sending frequency space slot 125.6, Sky 1.
Okay, we've got a headwind, or quite a strong one, but it's somewhat cross. It's twisting backwards and forwards. Sometimes it's straight down, sometimes it's a crosswind. But the wind is quite strong, as you can see here on the outside. And that causes a washing machine effect when you come into land. Then the distance is the windsock, and there's another one here, but they're not always the same. This one indicating is straight down on the nose. Okay. Camera lights action. Full power. Lift the tail. Lift the nose. Tail is coming up. Speed is alive.
Airspace ahead.
Rotate.
Flight level 05.
We've got 5,600 on the nose, on the RPM. Oh, wind is bad. Fuel flow is positive. Charging, climbing out at 1,000 feet. 65, which is nice. We're already up to 700 feet. Turning crosswind. Coming back on the power a little bit. Now we start drifting to the east because the wind is coming from the southwest.
Level 10.
was quite an easy takeoff. Okay, I'm going to come back on the tower. It's about 5-2. Already 1,000 feet, which is circuit height, but higher than that. Okay, turning downwind. Okay. I didn't switch off my auxiliary fuel pump and my lights when taking off, so I'm going to leave them on for downwind checks. Radio call, Morningstar Traffic India, Bob Yankee is on the left downwind for 20. Touch and go. Okay. Now on my speed is 75. It's already there. So I'm coming back on the power. I want to drop to 500 feet above the ground level, which is 700.
Airspace ahead.
Oh,
Airspace ahead.
wind is not nice. Morningstar India, go flank is left base, turning final 20, touch and go. Okay, we're at the 700 feet now,
Flight level 0.
but fast. Now I want to bleed off my speed to about a lot of wind today, so I'll keep it a little higher, 60, maybe just 65. Okay, gonna set my flaps, trim it nose up. Jesus, this wind is terrible. I think I must make it a full stop here. Again, it's coming crosswind. Oh, bouncing like crazy. Coming into the washing machine. A little fast.
Terrain.
Over the threshold. Keep it up, keep it up.
Airspace. Airspace. Airspace.
Okay, that was not bad. Okay, let's make it a goer.
Terrain.
Oh, massive birds here on the threshold. Again, wind is terrible. Okay, we're approaching, so I'll take those brakes on,
Terrain.
fuel pump off, watch the fuel flow, still up there, switch the lights off, come back on the power, turn for crosswind, 800 feet, right rudder,
Airspace. Airspace.
because we're drifting.
Airspace. Airspace. Flight level 10.
Okay, come back on the power to 5-2. Too much. We're at 1,000 feet, level off. Turn to downwind. Right rudder. Jeez, it slips out like crazy. Right here, call. Morningstar India, go flank left. Downwind 20, full stop. As soon as you go over these wheat fields, it's much calmer. soon as you go over that area there, where the trees are, that's when the wind and the turbulence is terrible.
Morningstar, India, go back in left, base 20, full stop.
Okay, speed is too high
Terrain.
and I need to bleed off 200 feet.
Airspace
And here we
ahead.
start with the turbulence again. Okay, fuel pump on, landing light on, set flaps, trim nose up.
Level 0, 5.
Okay, back pressure is gone. What about
Terrain.
20% flap? We are at 500
Airspace
feet.
ahead.
Approach speed 73, 60 is fine. And now the turbulence again. Over these trees is terrible. A washing machine effect.
Terrain.
And then there's birds flying around all over. Okay, this last one should bump us up again. And then there will be a downdraft. So 60, 70, bit fast and come back on the power. Now the wind seems to be straight down.
Airspace. 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 Airspace.
Say, sail down. That's like, see, you can never just judge the wind here. It's always coming from one or other side. So vacating runway. Fuel pump off. Landing light off. Open the door for a bit of breeze inside. And everywhere you look is just birds.
Airspace. Airspace.
Okay, now I'm turning winds back at my back, pull back as far as I can. Just do a zigzag to see in front, can't see properly. Yeah, right in between those two cones. Okay, here comes the hanger. Trick is to get the nose dead center on the light. It's on the light. The aeroplane fits in perfectly.